Hi everyone, I'm Vilma with Redesign with Prima, and today I will be showing you how to transform a discard mirror into a beautiful vintage inspired piece. I will start by cleaning the front of the mirror before flipping it over so we can work on the back, where the entire transformation will take place. The first step is removing the gray protecting backing. This process is slow and takes some patience, but it's absolutely essential for creating this reverse decoupage project. I will begin by applying a degreaser and using a beauty knife to scrape away as much of the backing as possible. Next, I will switch to TSP, which is a bit stronger, and continue removing the coating using both a beauty knife and a paint scraper. Be sure to work only in vertical strokes, cleaning away the loosening material as you go. Once the gray backing has been removed, it's time to strip away the reflective mirror coating. Today, I'm trying Easy Off Degreaser for the first time to see how well it works. I let it sit for about 45 minutes before scraping away the remaining mirror finish. And it worked beautifully. Using my beauty knife, I removed the final reflective layer, intentionally leaving a few streaks to enhance the aged look. Then I thoroughly cleaned the glass. Now it's time for the design. I will begin by applying the Romance Roses Decor stamp using black paint and a foam roller. Remember, everything in this project is applied to the back of the mirror. I will stamp the upper section to create a soft organic floral composition. The application of these stamps is very easy. I'm adding a little of paint on the back and then placing it on your desired spot. Gently press it down and release up the stamp to see your design. I will be doing the same process with the remaining stamps. For the antique mirror effect, I will be using white vinegar, mirror effect spray paint in silver, gold, white paint, black paint, and a natural sea sponge. First, I will spray gold mirror effect around the edges of the mirror. While it is still wet, I will mist it with white vinegar and dab it with a sea sponge to create a naturally aged appearance. Next, I will apply silver mirror effect spray and gently wipe away the loose overspray from the center of the mirror with a paper towel. I will repeat the process with another light coat of gold, followed by white vinegar and the sea sponge to build additional layers of vintage texture. Once again, I will remove any loose overspray from the center. To add even more depth, I will lightly mist black spray paint over selected areas and wipe away any excess dust after it dries. Now we're ready for the reverse decoupage. Since the decoupage gel is very strong and can remain on your hands for quite some time, I will be wearing latex gloves. Using a synthetic bristle brush, I will apply an even coat of decoupage gel across the entire mirror, brushing from top to bottom. Then I will use a foam brush to smooth out the gel and remove any excess before placing the decoupage paper. For this project, I will be using the beautiful Italy Studio Decoupage paper. I will begin positioning from the bottom of the mirror. One thing I love about this gel is that it gives you plenty of working time, allowing you to perfectly align the paper before it begins to set. I will use plastic wrap to gently smooth the paper into place and eliminate any air bubbles. Once everything is dry, I will use a sanding block to remove the excess paper around the edges. You can also use scissors. Next, I will apply another coat of decoupage gel over the entire paper to seal it. You can finish it with your favorite water-based top coat. To complete the back of the mirror, I will paint the upper section with white paint to fully cover the paper. Then I will add a layer of black paint. Then I will let everything dry overnight before turning the mirror over. For the frame, I decided to preserve the original wood finish and simply highlight a few areas with Eternal Decor wax, using a small brush to add a subtle vintage touch. You will find a complete list of all the products I use in the description below. And here's the finished mirror. It's hard to believe this beautiful piece was literally headed to the trash. I actually found it on the side of the road. I hope this project inspired you to look at your old pieces in a whole new way. Let me know in comments what do you think of this transformation, and would ever try a project like this yourself? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Redesign with Prima channel, and follow me on my social media, Renovelleasenseofrenewal. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another flip.